So guys, if you see the out of memory error in Google Chrome, it happens when Google Chrome can't access enough usable RAM or virtual memory in your computer, even if your PC appears to have free memory. So to fix this issue, stop Chrome from loading heavy tabs. Chrome keeps all open tabs loaded in memory, even if you are not using them. When too many heavy tabs stay active, Chrome runs out of usable memory and shows the out of memory error. So to stop Chrome from loading heavy tabs, open Chrome Settings Performance and just turn on the memory saver option. Chrome will automatically suspend unused tabs and free up memory. Disable all your extensions. Extensions are the number one memory killer. They keep running in the background and use your RAM. So disable all browser extensions one by one and check whether the memory issue disappears. Disable Chrome memory. Chrome keeps running apps and extensions in the background even after you close it. This process silently uses your RAM. So open Chrome Settings System and turn off the option Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. Now restart your Chrome. Use 64-bit Chrome. 32-bit Chrome can usually use a limited amount of memory. Once it hits that, Chrome throws an out-of-memory error even if your PC still has free RAM. The chances are low, but you should still check. Open your Chrome Setting Help and check the version to see if you are using 64-bit Chrome version. This page will also update your Chrome browser automatically if a new version is available. If you are not using the 64-bit Chrome version, uninstall the current Chrome browser, then download and install the 64-bit version on your system. Increase virtual memory in your Windows. Now we will increase the virtual memory in your Windows, so Chrome has more memory and stops showing out of memory error. This is the real root fix. Press Win plus R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to Advanced tab, under Performance, click Settings. Go to Advanced tab, under Virtual Memory, click Change and uncheck the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drive. Select C drive, choose Custom Size and set value based on your RAM. If you have 8 GB RAM, initial size will be 8192 and maximum size will be 16384. If you have 16 GB RAM, initial size will be 16384 and the maximum size will be 32768. And if you have a 32 GB RAM, initial size will be 32768 and maximum size will be 65536. I have 8 GB RAM, so I am putting this value. Click Set, OK and restart your PC. The final step is to reset your Chrome. Resetting Google Chrome gives you a clean memory profile without deleting your data. So open Chrome Settings Reset and click Restore Setting to their original default. That's it. Follow these steps and Chrome should stop giving you out of memory issue instantly. Stay safe.